Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Anuruddh and today in the JavaScript tutorial I'll show you what is Array.reduce method and Array.reduceRight method. This reduce method and reduce write method both are same. If you understand this reduce method, then it will be easy to understand this reduce write method. So here I will show you why we use Array.reduce method and the syntax of Array.reduce method. So I will go to the HTML file and I'll show you where we can use Array.reduce method and the syntax. So first of all, I have created one array. The variable name is numbers and this array contains some number values, you can see here. So reduce means it will reduce the array values. So here I have 5 values, so it will reduce into 1 values and it will return the output. So now here first of all you have to understand the syntax. So first is numbers. Numbers means the array name. For me array name is numbers, so I have written numbers. Now the method name is reduce, and after that you have to add one parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis again you have to add another parenthesis, and after that you have to go outside of the second parenthesis, now equals to and arrow, and after that curly braces, now enter. Like this same syntax you have to write here, and here it will take two parameter. First is accumulator. Okay, so here I will write the short form. Parameter name you can write anything that I already told. So here first parameter will denotes as an accumulator, so here I will write ACC. By the way, here you can write any name, and now the second parameter comma I will write the second parameter means first you have to understand the second parameter means this is the values. So second parameter denotes all those values, so here I will write current values. Okay, current value. Like this way I will write. By the way, this parameter name also you can write anything. So now what is accumulator? Here I will pass one value 0. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now here I will write here. Now maybe you are getting confused, but when I will show you the output, it will you can understand easily, right? So here I will return ACC plus current value. Okay, here I missed the spelling. So this parameter current value. Okay, like this way. So now here what I am doing, see, if I have 5 array values, so accumulator means whatever value I will pass here, that it will denotes as an accumulator. Now current value means those values. Okay, so what I did here, so accumulator plus current value. So accumulator means first 0 I said already, so 0 plus current value means first time this one 1, so 0 plus 1 means 1. After that 1 plus 2 accumulator. Now accumulator is 1, so 1 plus 2 current value is 2, so 1 plus 2 is 3. Now accumulator will be 3, then 3 plus current value means this one 6. Now accumulator will be 6 plus 4 10, then accumulator will be 10, then 10 plus current value means 5, so output will be 10 plus 5 15. Okay, so here you can see here, right? So those array values reduce into 1 values means output will be 15, so it is reducing all those values and it is providing only one value, which is 15. So what I will do, just here I will take one variable where the variable name I will write here sum equals to. Okay, and now here I will console this sum. So console.log and sum. Here if you have any doubt, you can write in comment, or else you can DM in my Insta ID. Okay, Insta ID will get in the description. So now I will do save and I will go to the browser. So here you can see output is 15. So same way you can add here minus. Let's see what will be the output. See, minus 15. If you calculate 0 minus 1 means minus 1, then minus 1, then minus 2, it will be minus 3. Like this. So if you calculate, then it will be, output will be minus 15. Okay, so this is the accumulator. Now here I will write the plus, so output will be 15, right? Now if I change here, instead of 0, if I write here 1, so what will be the output? You can calculate and you can write in the comment section. So if your output is 16, so you are correct. Now I will show you in the browser. So here you can see 16, right? Because accumulator is now 1. So 1 plus 1, it will be 2. then again 2 plus 2 it will be 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 5 16, right? So this way it works. Now you have to understand where we can use this method in our real life project. So everyone already used any kind of e-commerce site. It can be a Flipkart, Amazon. So when we open Amazon and we go to buy any product, so that time we add our product in our cart. Suppose I want to buy 2 t-shirts. So 2 t-shirts I add in my cart. Okay. So suppose here I am going to buy 1 t-shirt to another product like this. Okay. So after adding in my cart, so now I want to show you to the user how many product he has added in the cart already. So that time I have to add all those cart values, right? So cart values, suppose 1 2 like this way. So when I want to add all those cart values, so that time I can use this method. It is very simple, right? I hope it is clear. If you have still any doubt, you can write in the comment section. Now here reduce method, hope you have understood. Now here I will go to here, and the next method is reduce write. This method is very simple, syntax wise and the understanding purpose also. So I copied this method name from here. Now I will go to the HTML file, and here just I will change this reduce to reduce write method, and I will do save. And now here I can keep it 1 or else I can keep it 0. Okay, I'll write here 0. So output will be 15 here also. But the only difference that I will tell you, first I will check the output, see the 15. But the only difference is when I used the reduce method, so that time first I said 0 0 plus 1, then 1 plus 2, means this addition is going from the left side. But reduce write method means this addition will come from the right side. Okay, means accumulator is all every time 0. So because here I have provided 0, so 0 plus 5 for this reduce write method. So 5, then 5 plus 4 9, like this way it will work, means it will start add from right side. But if you use reduce method, so it will start to add from left side. So here instead of plus, I already have shown you, like you can use minus, multiply, divide, anything you can do here. But the purpose of use is, if you want to reduce the array values into one value, that time you can use reduce method or else reduce write method. If you find this video helpful, so please like this video, and also you can subscribe my channel to understand JavaScript more.